Okay, so here is a notoriously hard, harsh, quick turn coming up that we want to kind of try out with the new Autopilot 2018.10.4 update. So it's really never been able to handle this very well without slowing down to like 15 miles an hour, which is reasonable, I guess. But we're gonna go ahead and try this.
Here we're coming up on another.
So this is a 15 mile an hour, so I'd say drop it down to like 20.
Yeah, okay, we'll stay at 20 then, that's an easy.
There's a truck right there.
Okay.
Oh, we're good. Okay, okay. So it's probably going, what am I gonna do here?
I'm gonna go over the level.
Oh no!
So couldn't handle that yet.
No.
Re-engage again, but it probably will do the same thing right here. Actually, we're on the outside of the curve. It seems to be able to handle.
Oh, we are way over the line.
Yeah. So still a little difficulty there.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. I wouldn't have expected to handle it anyway because it's super, super tight. It's not a normal spot that people would have Autopilot engaged, actually. So just for funsies, though, we're gonna go ahead and go up here, turn around, try it in the other direction. Okie dokie.
Nope.
No, didn't do it.
I bet I'd probably be able to do this one a little bit better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it seems like outside turns are better than
The
inside.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go ahead and take over because there's a bike here.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's kind of how it is for now. We'll keep testing it and see. Eventually, it should be able to handle that no problem. Okay, so now we're going to try it again and not take over and see if it will eventually right its wrong. I mean, that's going to be tricky. Make sure no cars are coming. Yeah, no, it wasn't going to rewrite it. It committed. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, we are now back into my car, the 100D. I'm still in 2018.6.1 tier. Hopefully, eventually I'll get it. It looks like a really great update, so I'm really anxious to get it. But we're gonna go ahead and try this in my car, since I'm still on the old software, and see how it does. I don't know. We'll play around with it. So this curve, it says 15, but we can't really do that. We're just gonna drop it down to 20 and see how Autopilot deals with it. So now we're going 20 miles an hour. It seems so slow, but we're just gonna do this. Okay, so we slowed down to like 15, 14, but it's doing it in my car on the old software. Okay, grab the wheel. Okay, I got the wheel. Okay, here we go. No cars coming, so we're good. We're like over the middle line, but it is doing it. David's didn't even do it. It went way out, so, weird. Okay, definitely subscribe if you haven't. Go ahead and thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, though. Here for some other videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I ain't gonna die tonight. You can't kill me, not my spirit. History is ours tonight. The people are chanting.